Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. Upping your gardening ROI, return on investment. I define ROI here as actions that increase your pleasure with a minimum of cost and effort. These tips are for the average gardener, not the persnickety. High ROI plants that are widely available in small and thus inexpensive pots. Big beef tomato, Inca 2 marigold, red or purple zonal geranium, and for shade beacon series impatiens. More costly up front but with big long-term ROI, a Japanese maple such as Tomokuyama. And if you live in zone 9, 10, or 11, bougainvillea purple queen, and citrus trees such as Satsuma mandarin orange, Fukushu kumquat, Meyer lemon, or Washington navel orange. If you live in a marginal area for those, you can add a few degrees of heat by planting it near a light-colored wall or fence. I planted my Washington navel near a fence which I painted with beige-tinted bare reflective roof paint. You get it at Home Depot. Where? Default to a maximum sun location except for shade lovers like ferns, begonias, and the aforementioned impatiens. Maybe sacrifice a couple hours of sun so you can see the plant where you routinely walk, or you can see it from your window. Do keep new plants in the shade for a day or two before planting in a permanent sunny home. Soil mix. A high ROI general purpose mix is 70% native soil mixed with 30% compost. Fertilizer. Don't feed until a month after planting. Then, time-release fertilizer like Osmocote is tempting but may be unreliable and is expensive. The hack is any brand of general purpose granular fertilizer. A 20-pound bag costs about $20 and provides the most growth per dollar for the widest range of plants. Watering. Of course, automatic watering systems are net efficient, but while I have one, unless it's hot and daily watering is needed, I prefer to water by hand. First, it's forced relaxation. I have to look at each of my plants for at least a few seconds. Also, I can put the right amount of water on each plant. If my finger says it's dry, an inch or two down. A community garden. If you don't have much space or would like company while you garden, Google the term community garden and your zip code. Anyway, those tips should improve your gardening ROI. Feel free to suggest your ideas in the comments section or email me at mnemko@gmail.com. That's mnemko@gmail.com. In any event, I thank you for watching. I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel, and certainly would welcome you to take a look at any of my 36 books. I guess most relevant would be How to Do Life, but all 36 are on Amazon. In any event, I thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.